Bakit ho? O, pakinggan nyo yung mga sasabihin.
Wala kaming magagawa doon because again, our role is only to assist. We are the client, no? We can, or the respondent in this case. We are not even allowed to cross-examine, which is okay because again, what we're saying is
Ikaw cross-examine yung mga witnesses? Baka takutin nyo naman. Di ba? Sabi ni Ma'am Leonida Negrillo, hindi uso kay Ninong ang kulambo, si Tatay Karton lang ang gumagamit noon. Ikaw cross-examine nila yung mga witnesses? Baka takutin nyo naman. Baka mamaya paglabas doon sa kwarto ng mga yan, naku, babaliktad na po kami. Naku, hindi na po kami titistigo. Laban doon. Si Kitty Duterte, pakinggan nyo, hindi ko na puputulin si Kitty. Oh. Kayo na po ang bahalang humusga.
Mayong adlaw, I will not be answering any questions for today, but I will be relaying a message. So, the day he was flown to The Hague, I sent my papa on his Viber what I posted on social media that day. It said, I will forever walk with pride, knowing that I am your daughter, your blood. The strength you raised me with will go untamed. I will stand by the promise I made you today. I love you. And dare I say, it did go untamed. No, there is nothing and no one on this earth I will not face for my.
Sabi ni Jonas Benavides, pinayagan na yata, boss. 5 countries yata ang ipinaalam ni Pusit. Pinayagan, pero merong ipinakita ang Vice Presidente. Yung una, no, na i-vlog natin kaninang umaga, na hindi sila tutuloy. Kasi nga, late na daw po yung pagbibigay sa kanila. Late na yung pagbibigay sa kanila nung pagpayag.
Family, for my papa. For me to be able to love this fearlessly at such a young age speaks volumes on how Rodrigo Roa Duterte raised me. Do not be fools and think he will die with his body. His fire burns in the bluest of blue through Congressman Pulong Duterte, Vice President Sara Duterte, Mayor Baste Duterte, and through me, was nobody yet but Justice Kitty. I would also like to say na he's strong as ever, strong still, while his body might become frail, spirit as breakable as always. He, I didn't really discuss what happened today, but I asked him lang, what do you feel? What do you think? What do you want them to know? Invictus, out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul.
Hinto ko na, mga nakita nyo ako miski ako, hindi ako interesado. Wag na, kitiban na. Wala na, hindi na makakauwi, ang dating Pangulo. Pahinto ko na ho ito, mga kababayan, no? Bukas, magsama-sama ho tayo. Anong oras? Alas 9, alas 10 o alas 10:30 ng umaga, Pilipinas time. Sama-sama po tayo. No? Muli po, ako'y magpapaalam na, mga boss Chipamo sir. Maraming salamat and God bless po sa ating lahat. Sabi ni Ma'am Bidji Badjola, strong karton na ang tatay mo. Bye-bye.